Hello students, this is your teacher Padma. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, Production. Production means creation of goods and services with the help of certain processes. In other words, it is concerned with the conversion of raw materials into semi-finished and finished products by applying various processes and procedures. For example, cotton is converted into clothes. Over here, cotton is the raw material and clothes is the finished good. The goods and services produced must be capable of satisfying the needs and expectations of the customers. No business firm can survive and grow in the modern competitive economy unless it produces the goods and services required by the customers. Let's know more about the production management. The basic aim of the production function is to produce the goods required by the customers in an efficient and economical manner. It is essential to plan, organize, direct, and control the production system in order to achieve this aim. These activities are collectively known as production management. Production management helps in the coordination of materials, personnel, machineries, money, and other resources to ensure the supply of required goods and services. Following are the functions of production department. The product to be produced by a firm is decided by its top management. Once the product is decided, the production department prepare its design. Product design consists of form and function. The form design is concerned with the shape, size, and appearance of the product, whereas the functional design involves the working condition of the product. The next function is the design of production system, which means what kind of inputs are converted into outputs. There are basically three types of production system, namely job production, process production, and intermittent production. The choice of one out of them depends upon the type of product to be manufactured, the scale of production, etc. Once the product and the production system are designed and developed, the production department starts production planning. Production planning is concerned with the planning of production activities before the actual operations begin. It lays down the requirements of materials, machinery, manpower, etc., and establishes the exact sequence of operations for each part or assembly. A time schedule for the start and the completion of each and every item is also prepared. Next is selection of location. The choice of the place where the factory or plant is to be located has an important influence on the cost of production. Plant should be located at such a place where production and distribution costs are the minimum. The planning of factory buildings is an important problem of production management. Well-planned buildings help to ensure economical and efficient production. Planned buildings should be designed to fit in the requirements and capacity of the plant. It should be adaptable to changes in the production processes and equipment. Layout of the plant is also an important function of production department. It refers to the arrangement of machines and facilities in the factory. An efficient layout is the one that permits the most direct and rapid flow of materials through various stages in the production process. Design, development, and installation of tools and equipment is an important function of production management. The choice of plant and equipment depends upon the several factors such as the scale and the quality of output desired, the cost and life of machines, the adaptability of the equipment, availability or technological feasibility of machines, etc. Research and development are required to make improvements in products, process, and equipment. Research implies scientific investigation and analysis in order to acquire new knowledge. Introduction of smart LED TVs, smartphones with new features is the result of research and development. Manufacturing is also an important function of production department. It refers to the actual processing of materials and component parts so as to convert them into finished products. Generally, there are several processes which are employed in manufacturing. For example, a cotton textile factory consists of ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, and bleaching and pressing sections. The last and the most important function of production department is quality control. The last and the most important function is quality control. Production department is responsible for ensuring proper quality of goods manufactured in the factory. Right quality is essential for satisfying the customers and making good sales. Several techniques such as inspection, control charts, ISO certification, etc. are employed for this purpose.